Hello coders, Excel comes up with many customization which out of all this customization there can be something like this. This grid color is in gray. You can change the default grid color which is in gray by clicking on file button, then Excel option, then click on this advance and then scroll all the way across to the down. There will be option something like, here it is, grid line color. Maybe I am preferring blue as my grid line color. Select this particular option and then press OK. Now your grid line colors are in blue. So that's how you can change the grid line, the default grid line color of your Excel sheet. That's all for this short video tutorial. We will be again seeing again for some other Excel tips and tricks. Thank you guys and happy coding.